Hey guys, my name is Marsky and today I'm going to teach you guys how to remove your sound with the buzzing noise and make your sound beautiful with the Audacity. And Audacity is the free program which I will provide a download link in the description below so you guys can check it out. It's an awesome program and it edits your sound, make it beautiful. So I will let you guys hear what is the buzzing noise am I talking about, like this. I'm here to teach you guys on how to clear the buzz noise of your recording and make your sound even more better. Thank you. Okay, so first of all, this can be caused by one reasons. Okay, the only one reasons is you recording your sounds and you have your PC plugged on with the power source. That's the matter, but I don't know why is it a matter, but it's the matter. Just take off your plug, and if I plug back the charger, and you might hear the buzzing sound right now. There you go, it's very annoying, doesn't it? So I quickly remove it right now, and that's no noise again. And in order to get rid of this problem, you need to first follow my steps like this. Okay, you need to highlight it first, like this. Okay. And go to the effects tab, go to the noise reductions, click on the get noise profile. Okay, after doing that, you need to press your keyboard Ctrl A in order to copy all this, and press on the effect tab again, noise reductions, and copy down my settings for a better result. Make sure to copy now the settings. Okay, so I'll press the OK button without further ado. And as you guys can see, the frequency of the sound has changed a little bit. Okay, just like this. And I fixed the sound, okay? I'm here to teach you guys on how to clear the buzz noise of your recording and make your sound even more better. Thank you. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and this is the result of the beautify of your music. Makes your sound even beautiful and better. So if you guys appreciate this tutorial, be sure to give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos. So my name is Marsky, and be sure to check me out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.